Hello guys. Hello. Today in power electronic lecture number 6 is there. Lecture number 6, and in this we have to learn two basic point, that is improvement of di by dt rating and dv by dt rating. See this one by one. First is first rating, improvement of di by dt rating. How the di by dt rating improve? There will be first the gate current, but this may load the triggering circuit. Means here first method is used to improve the di by dt rating, that is the gate current increment. And by modifying this gate cathode geometry so that many small cathode and gate regions are intermixed together, and this is known as interdigitations. The use of this interdigitation gate cathode structure also reduces the turn off time of the SCR, and as turn off time of the SCR get decreased or get reduced, means we can improve the di by dt rating. Then second is improvement of dv by dt rating. Improvement of dv by dt rating. This is the one method of reducing the effect of displacement current is by means of the cathode shots. By means of the cathode shots. By using this method, we can improve the dv by dt rating. And now, next point here, we have to learn the advantages, disadvantages, and applications of SCR. See one by one. First is advantages of SCR. First advantage of SCR is on-state voltage drop is small. On-state voltage drop is small. Second disadvantage, it can handle very large current, voltage and power. Third disadvantage is low power loss. Fourth is turn on is easy. Fourth is simple triggering circuit. Triggering circuit used to trigger the SCR is very simple. Then it can be protected with the help of fuse, and power delivered to the load can be controlled. Power delivered to the load can be controlled by using SCR. These are the advantages of the SCR. Now, next point is disadvantages of the SCR. See one by one. Next point is disadvantages. First disadvantage is in SCR, current is flow in only one direction. It means your SCR is unidirectional device. Current flow only in one direction. Then due to dv by dt means change in voltage with respect to time is very high, means it get accidentally turned on. accidentally turn on. This is the second disadvantage. Due to using the turn on method, that is dv by dt turn on method is used, at that time SCR get turned on accidentally. Third disadvantage is turn off is difficult. SCR turn on is very easy. Difficult. SCR turn on is very easy. Only applying gate terminal and voltage between anode to cathode we can turn on the SCR, but SCR turn off is very difficult. To use or to turn off the SCR, we have to use the different circuitry called as a commutated circuitry. Next is SCR does not work for high frequency. For high frequency it is not used or not run properly. And last disadvantage is gate current should not be negative. Means applied gate pulse should be always positive, then and then only it will run properly. For negative gate pulse it does not work. Next point is applications of SCR, means where we can use this circuitry or this device. First application is it is used as a controlled rectifier, means where we need the DC supply, at that time as a controlled rectifier SCR is used as a controlled rectifier. Next is it is used in chopper. We all know the chopper is nothing but DC to DC converter, and for converting DC to DC SCR circuitry is used. Then it is used in inverter. Inverter is nothing but the DC to AC converter. Next is it acts as a static switch. It is used in battery charger, different types of the battery charger. Next, it is used to control the speed of motors. Next, it is used in lamp dimmer circuit. Next, it is also used to control the speed of fan, called as a fan regulator, for controlling the speed. And it is also used as AC voltage stabilizer. Next point is ratings of SCR. See one by one. First is on-state voltage drop. On-state voltage. When your SCR is in totally on condition, means SCR get turned on, at that time your SCR voltage is in between 1.5 volt to 2.5 volt. Next rating is turn off time. Turn off time is high and it is up to 50 to 100 microsecond. Next is, third point is change in voltage. Maximum change in voltage with respect to time, and it should be 1000 volt per microsecond. Fourth is maximum change in current with respect to time, and it should be 500 ampere per microsecond. Then last one is maximum switching frequency, maximum switching frequency, and it should be 400 Hertz. This is the ratings of SCR. See once again, on-state voltage should be in between 1.5 to 2.5 volt. Next is turn off time should be in between 50 to 100 microsecond. Then maximum change in voltage with respect to time is 1000 volt per microsecond. Maximum current with respect to time should be 500 ampere per microsecond, and maximum switching frequency should be, or it will be 400 hertz. These are the ratings of SCR. In from next lecture, we learn the different types of SCR as well as your gate turn of SCR, LASCR, and so on. Different devices. In other word, we can say from next lecture we see the different types of we learn the different types of thyristor. Okay, thank you guys.